Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add two-factor authentication in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu, then tap on settings, and then at the top we find account security. We tap on this, and here we have two-factor authentication. We can tap on this and tap on turn on, and then we can protect our account even more securely, and we can also add a mobile number so it's protected from potential thieves, to say. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.